Hello, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to talk to you about iOS 18.5 release candidate, also known as RC, and the 4 main features they added. The first one is they added Pride wallpapers. So if we go to our settings and we type in wallpaper and we go to add a new wallpaper, at the bottom in the Pride section you're going to see the new Pride wallpaper right here, which is going to be really neat. Next thing, they updated the AppleCare page here. So if we go to our settings again, we click on AppleCare, hit cancel really quick, and this is the kind of the new layout of the AppleCare. So you can just kind of see what coverage you have and all that, which is really cool. Third thing is they added parental control to receive notification if your child ever overrides their screen time. You'll get a notification if they used your PIN to override that. And the fourth change they added was allowing you to make purchases through your iPhone on third-party applications that basically use Apple TV. So for example, if you're using an LG TV and you have the Apple Plus app installed and you want to purchase a movie, you can go ahead and purchase that, and then you'll get the notification on your phone to go ahead and approve that purchase. So those are the 4 key new features in iOS 18.5 release candidate. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel or interested in supporting this channel, feel free to subscribe and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.